Good morning children, welcome back to Maths Track 1 session. In yesterday's class you learned substitution method, and the first sums I gave you very easy model sums because you will understand the concept how to do it. Why? Because in that sums also we have some fractions, means like rational numbers, like fractions also will be having, like LCM and everything will be there. So those type of sums also same model, but first you have to make them into a perfect equation. Okay children, after learning the substitution method and elimination method, so we will go for the what? Pair of linear equation, two variables standard forms. Okay, means like a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. That is completely different. That means different in the sense you have to know. So first you should know how to do substitution method and elimination method. Okay, today I am going to teach you now elimination method. Here again the two equations are given. What are those two equations? Means x plus y equals to 5. So we will take that equation 1, and next 2x minus 3y equals to 4, that is equation 2. Okay? Okay children. Now how to do eliminate? Means elimination in the sense you have to eliminate at least, means either x variable or y variable. Means elimination means at least we have to eliminate either x variable or y variable. Okay, x or y variable, whichever you like. Okay, now listen very carefully. There are little bit different model comparing with substitution. Here first observe one thing. In your mind think which one you want to eliminate. First x is there, so we will go for x. If you want to eliminate y, no problem, nothing. You can go for y also. Here x. First thing, compare these two. Here x coefficient is nothing. Here x coefficient is 2. Here the x coefficient is 1. Here the x coefficient is 2. You want to eliminate x variable means both the coefficients of x must be equal. Okay? If you want to eliminate the variable x means both the x coefficients must be equal. But here what happened? Here 1, here 2. So here you can make it into 2. How you can make it into 2? Can you tell me? The whole equation 1 multiply with 2. That means what you are telling, that you have to write in words. Multiply equation 1 with 2. Multiply equation 1 with 2. That means 2 of x plus y equals to 5. That means 2 into x 2x plus 2 into y 2y equals to 2 5s are 10. Now you got new equation, that is third equation. Now see clearly now 2 and 3. Now the x coefficients both are equal. Okay, now solving equation 2 and 3. That means solving in the sense not simply solving. You have to do either addition or subtraction to eliminate the first variable, that is x. We have to do either addition or subtraction basing on the equation. See here, second one equation is what? 2x minus 3y equals to 4. What is the third equation? 2x plus 2y equals to 10. Now if you do both are plus plus, how will you get eliminate? One should be negative. That means always when you are doing like this, the down one should be what? Subtraction symbol. That means we have to do subtraction now. Why we have to do subtraction? Because here plus is there. When you are doing subtraction, the symbols will change. Here plus means it will become minus. Here plus means it become minus. Here plus means here become minus. When you are doing subtraction, what will happen? All the symbols of the three equation will change. Why? Because subtraction, you know, in division, when you are doing subtraction, the next means the down one you are changing the symbol. But when you are subtracting, you are multiplying with minus means automatically what will happen? Symbols will change. So the same thing happened here. Now solving equation 2 and 3, what you are doing? You are subtracting. You are subtracting 2 and 3. So minus symbol. Why minus symbol means? They will know clearly that you are doing subtraction. While doing subtraction, what will happen? Symbols will change. Now plus 2x and minus 2x both get cancelled. Okay. Now minus 3y minus 2y, that is minus 5y equals to minus 10 plus 4. That is how much? 10 minus 4 is minus 6. Now minus minus get cancelled. So y equals to 6 by 5. So what is the y value you got now? 6 by 5. Okay children. Now you got y value. Now what to do? X value. Same. Substitute y equals to 6 by 5 in any one of the equation whichever you like now. Because we don't have exactly x value like that. So which is easy equation, means which is looking easy equation, you can substitute in that. Substitute in equation 1. Substitute y equal to 6 by 5 in equation 1. That means x plus y value how much now? 6 by 5 equals to 5. So x equals to 5 minus 6 by 5. So LCM 5. 1 5s are 25, 5s are 25. 5 1s 6. So 25 minus 6 is 19. So 19 by 5. That means x value is 19 by 5 and y value is 6 by 5. Okay. Now if the question is little bit different, how we are going to solve the equation? Okay children, see the equation given here. X by 2 plus 2y by 3 equals to minus 1. X minus y by 3 equals to 3. Okay. So when there is a fraction, you can do it, but it will take long time. So first simplify this one. X by 2 plus 2y by 3 equals to minus 1. Now simplify this. LCM is 6. 2 table 6 3 times. 3 into x 3x. Plus in 3 table 6 2 times. 2 2s are 4y equals to minus 1. So 3x plus 4y equals to, this 6 will go that side means minus 6. Now you can take this as equation 1. Now come to this one, second equation. So x minus y by 3 equals to 3. Again for 1 and 3 LCM is 3. So 1 3 times 3x minus 3 table 3 1 time, that is y equals to 3. That is 3x minus y equals to 3 3s are 9. So that is equation 2. So you got now equation 1 and equation 2. So what is equation 1 here? 3x plus 4y equals to minus 6. And this is first equation. Second equation is 3x minus y equals to 9. So this is second equation. Now children, if you observe clearly, it is a plus point for us, because if you clearly observe here, X coefficient is 3 and X coefficient is 3. So we can eliminate very easily. We can eliminate very easily. That means solving equation 1 and 2, 3x plus 4y equals to minus 6. 3x minus y equals to 9. Now again what to do? Because both are positive, so no chance. So that's why again subtraction. Subtraction means symbols will change. So plus 3x minus 3x get cancelled. 4 plus 1, so 5y. Minus 6 minus 9, so minus 15. So y equals to minus 15 by 5. So 5 ones, 5 threes. So y equals to minus 3. Now you got the value of y. Then what we have to do? You have to substitute the y value in any one of the equation, either in equation 1 or 2. So I prefer equation 2. So substitute y equals to 3 minus 3 in equation 2. That is 3 into, that means 3x minus y value is minus 3. So minus of minus 3 equals to 9. So 3x minus of minus plus 3 equals to 9. So 3x equals to 9 minus 3. So 3x equals to 6. X equals to 6 by 3. 3 ones, 3 twos. So x equals to 2. So x equals to 2 and y equals to minus 3 are the values. Okay. Here I'll explain one different model, children. You may get doubt while I'll give homework. Okay, children. See here. That is how to do elimination method. Suppose the equation is like this. Just I am giving you an explanation. Means what do you observe here? Here x coefficient is 2. Here x coefficient is 3. But both are different. Means what we did like first sum, that chance also is not there. And second model also not there. But how will you do now? How you are going to eliminate? Listen very carefully. When both are different, means either you want to choose either y or x, anything. Now I choose x. But here x coefficient is 2 and here x coefficient is 3. But how I have to eliminate? Both should be equal, no? So how both should be equal? Listen very carefully. Suppose this is equation 1, this is equation 2. See here. What is the coefficient of x here in second equation? 3. So first equation multiply with 3. 3 of 2x plus 3y equals to 5. Did you understand? Here 2, 3. Now first equation you take it 2x plus 3y. When both are different, what will you do? Multiply first equation with the coefficient of x with second equation. So with 3 you multiply this whole. 3 2s are 6x. 3 3s are 9y. 3 5s are 15. Now it is equation 3. Now what about the equation 2 now? Do one thing. What is the equation 1 x coefficient? 2. So with 2 you multiply equation 2. So 2 of 3x plus 2y equals to 10. So 2 3s are 6x. 2 2s are 4y. 2 10s are 20. Now equation 4. Now see here both are equal. Now we can eliminate very easily. Okay. So like this you can do any sum elimination method. Okay. Tomorrow I am going to tell you both the models once again in different model sums. Okay. In the next class, children, I am telling you once again, as SA1 that is for you pre-final. So SA1 for all classes for you pre-final. So in that this chapter is also included. That means right from the beginning what we have taught to you. And listen, notes. If you will not submit the notes, you will lose 10 marks, children, because activity we are giving 5 marks and notes 5 marks. So if you will not submit the notes and activity in time, soon I am going to give you the activity, so you can submit, okay, and I will post the marks personally, or I will note down in one book and all together I will post. But coming to the classwork point of view, because we will see even classwork also submission time, because in the last PA2 examination before, only few children submitted in time, means those children will get exactly full marks. And even essay 1, that means before essay 1, if you not submit in time, you have chance to lose the marks in what? Notebooks, maintenance of notebook. See, I am not blaming, or I am not torturing, or I am not, what we will call it as, whatever the word you think, that is not at all. Just I am telling you children, unnecessarily you are losing your marks without completion of notes. Means if you complete the notes in time, so you can gain with easily 5 marks, I am telling you. Not more than that. అంటే మిమ్మల్ని నేను బ్లాక్మెయిల్ కానీ ఏమీ చేయట్లేదు. నీకు ఒక ఈజీ వే చెప్తున్నాను. 5 మార్క్స్ని ఈజీగా ఎలాగ స్కోర్ చేసుకుంటారు. How? Just what we are doing regularly, what we are giving. Write that, update the notes. Because I have seen many children, they are sending the PDF. But no need to send PDF, because they are coming to school and submitting. Very good, excellent job. But some people, they are asking the excuses. Sir, I did not finish. So many. Last time comparing with PA1 and PA2, many of the children did not submit the notes properly. So if for SA1 it also happens, already I don't know how much marks I can give you, but I am assured that if you will not submit for SA1 complete notes where we finished, up to where we finished, definitely you are going to lose at least 1 or 2 marks. So don't give chance to us, I am telling you, because easy way of gaining the marks. So don't try to unnecessarily lose that 1 mark or 2 marks. 1 mark changes the life, you know that. If you go for the competitive world, 1 mark like 1 lakh ranks will be back. Okay, so again, like yesterday, I'll give you 4 or 5 sums by using elimination method. So solve it, possible, try to send. So yesterday some children have sent to me. So once I check the solutions, and I am going to send the same for you to cross check. Okay, have a nice day children.